फ्रेंड्स, बातें चल रही हैं 1929 की। तो 1929 में एक और डायरेक्टर का नाम आता है। वो आता है प्रियनाथ गांगुली। ही वाज वन ऑफ द टॉप साइलेंट मूवी डायरेक्टर्स along with ज्योतिष बनर्जी फॉर मदन थिएटर्स लिमिटेड। मदन थिएटर्स ने सबसे पहले बंकिम चंद्र चट्टोपाध्याय के नॉवेल्स के ऊपर में पिक्चरें बनाई, जैसे कृष्णकांत रिवेल, दुर्गेश नंदिनी, देवी चौधरानी। और जब उनका मदन थिएटर से नाता टूटा, देन ही जॉइंड ईस्ट इंडिया फिल्म कंपनी एंड टुक ओवर काली फिल्म्स एंड इंडिया फिल्म इंडस्ट्री इन द ईयर 1935, जहां पर कि उन्होंने शिशिर भादुरी जैसे कलाकारों को ऑन बोर्ड लिया। Also encouraged post-colonial filmmakers like Sheljananda Mukherjee, filming his novel Patalpuri. Kali Films also produced the first Oriya film, the mythological Sita Vivah, in the year 1934. अब हम बात करते हैं कुछ कलाकारों के बारे में। कलाकारों में, उस जमाने के कलाकारों में मजहर खान का नाम बहुत चर्चित था। He was an actor, producer and director. He came to Bombay and started his career in cinema with the silent film Fatal Garland in the year 1928, opposite the top actress of the time, Armeline. He became a popular actor, gaining success in several silent films. Khan transitioned to talkies with the end of the silent era. He worked in Calcutta and Sagar Movietone, making films like Sultana, Nightbird, Salima, Sunera Sansar. He then moved back to Bombay and worked under Ranjit Movietone. और उसके बाद में उन्होंने अपनी ही फिल्म कंपनी खोली, एशियाटिक पिक्चर्स। एशियाटिक पिक्चर्स के अंडर में उन्होंने बहुत यादगार पिक्चरें बनाई, जिसमें 1942 में याद, स्टारिंग वीना, एंड 1945 में पहली नज़र, स्टारिंग मुनव्वर सुल्ताना. His last role was in Usha Kiran in the year 1952. उसके बाद नाम आता है नूर मोहम्मद चार्ली का। चार्ली नाम उन्होंने दिया था, अपनी वो फिल्म थी, he was a great fan of Charlie Chaplin. That was one reason he took the name Charlie. और उनकी पहली जो रिलीज थी, his popular film The Indian Charlie in the year 1933. So these were the two reasons he took Charlie as his screen name. He was referred to as India's first comedy king, and he worked with top actresses of those days as a comic hero. He had a successful career in pre-partition India from 1925 to 1946. Then, following partition, he shifted to Pakistan. And after he went to Pakistan, his career went down, and he had only 12 films made in Pakistan. अब हम बात करते हैं टीपी राजा लक्ष्मी की। टीपी राजा लक्ष्मी नेम इज नॉट वेरी वेल नोन टू Hindi film goers, but she is fondly remembered as Cinema Rani TPR. She was the first Tamil and Telugu film heroine, the first South Indian female director, screenplay writer, singer, music director, producer. और उनकी एक फिल्म थी मिस कमला. This was a revolutionary movie that conveyed a strong women equality message to society. It was the first feature film to be directed by a woman film director. This made Rajalakshmi the first female director of South India and the second in India. The first one was Fatima Begum. In addition to producing and directing the film, she used to write the script, she used to edit, and she used to compose music for films. Rajalakshmi was the first heroine in South Indian cinemas to have a fans association that was formed by Rajalakshmi's core fans. Rajalakshmi will always be remembered by Tamil and Telugu film goers. So that's all for today. We will meet again with some other topic, with some other news. Till then, bye.